Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. Fruit market steps inside today we need to make this here the address list managements. Here we need to develop here for user side. So we need to not making here the screens. We need to first of all the make this here the screen. First of all, now we need to go inside here the this settings screens. We need to open this here the my accounts. Select this here the settings and we need to add this here the remove this here the change address to need to write down here the address list. Like this need to changing here the names for this tabs name. Now need to go here the setting tabs. Need to find out here the inside the UI my accounts, and we need to select this here the setting row, setting screen, and we need to change this here the address list. Like this we need to change here save, and we need to restart here and show like this here. Now making here the new screen, so need to give this here the name, new files, address list underscore screen dots, like this creates. And we need to copy here the this setting screen, so need to copy here all data, and we need to address list screens inside to paste this here. Now need to change the screen name. We need to write down here address list screens, and we need to change here the titles address list, and here list view, and we need to create here the another row, create here the new files address row dot dots, like this creates. And we need to creating here the setting row. Now we need to copy and to paste this here, and we need to change this here the address row. We need to set here the titles, remove here the icons, so need to no need, so need to set here the address and voice called back, like here. And fine, maybe we need to remove here this thing, map object is good for every data we need to get here. This dot object here's all things, and fix this here, remove here the and expand this text. Need to cut here, paste this here titles inside to write down here the object brackets inside, give this here the name as a name property, like here home, office, work address. Like this need to set here the titles as per users needed, so need to put here and to string, like this convert here. And we need to set this here the bold 700, so need to configure set here the font as a 16. And one other things, need to set here the row, remove here row to convert into the column. Maybe row is good here, convert into the column, like here's, and expand this here's. Would have width here, have widget expanded, and we need to set here the other columns, and we need to paste this here and clicking here the two buttons for the edit buttons, icon button on press event. Maybe we need to write down here another tabs, void callback on edit, and final void callback on delete, like this put here. And also input this here this missing parameters, and to add and to fix this here the errors. Then after, so need to go here and we need to write down here the on edit, set here the icon dots, need to write down here the edit icons, need to put here, set here the color, color primary colors, like so need to configurations for this UI and to configure here. Then after, copy here, paste this here. Now need to write down here on delete, and we need to set this here the delete icon like here's, and to set here the color red, colors red, and set here for this UI. Like we need to configurations are the need here, and set here the final keyword here, this map variables, and fix this error. Now then after we need to show here the address, and we need to set here the maximum lamps, we need to set here the 2, set here 14, and regular font, and colors we need to set here the secondary text, and one more things, need to set here the city, and like here we need to configure here maximum line set here 1, and also set here like we need to configurations for this UI, need to configure here for the address row. Now need to copy, and we need to change this here, to change the address to need to write down here the address list screen, save here, maybe wrong, need to write down here the address row, remove here these things, and also remove here, and on edit, on delete, and on edit, and to give this here the object, need to pass here the name, address, and city. Temporary need to set this here, write down here the need to copy here, to paste this here. So now need to set here the home of this, and one more things, set here and we need to address inside, need to give this here the any numbers need to see here like here configure sales for this all data, and we need to set here the address error, and to replace this here now need to give this here the object like here pass and address error, need to configurations unused codes, we need to remove here, and we need to go inside here the settings screen, and to change this here the screen address list screens. Now need to save here, and need to click here and show like this here the UI, need to show here the bottom show, maybe you need to set here the fix row, that's why I need to like making here the issue for the heights, need to remove here the fix height like here, and show this here, and to set this here the cross axis alignment, set here the start, and show like this here the home like here, so need to showing here the address list here edit icons, and as well as you need to showing this here the icon of the delete, so need to set here, and now need to give this here the add icons, so need to put here the new address, need to adding here UI, need to creating here. So now first of all so need to create here the new screens, need to write down here the address, add underscore screen dots, need to like this, need to creating here. So now need to copy this here the change address screens, so need to copy here like here, so need to paste this here the add screens, now need to change here the name address add screen like here, and we need to go here the is address add here, and now making here the UI for this UI. Add here the address. So image now need to copy here. Paste this here. Now need to set here the name. Need to put here minimum maximums need to remove here. Enter your address name, and then after need to image need to create here the another thing. So need to for making here the city, and like here so need to put here. Now need to create here the latitudes longitudes. UI need to making here. Creates here the row childs, set here the comma, and you need to put here the expand and creates here the column. Set here the titles is good. First one, latitudes, lati, and another expansion, longi, like here's. Set here the sized box. Set here the width 15. Set it comma and like this sets here. Again, so need to copy this row, paste this here and making like this here the text fields need to put here for this expanded with this padding, like here's, and you need to write down here the add, remove here's, and one more things, and to set here the one buttons, address list, set here the action button, one button on press event. We need to call this here the context dot post extension methods. If you not see here the second video, please first of all to see here the second video. Explain in details how to making here the extended methods develops inside this UI. Need to give this here the add address screens and two semicolons. Set here the icons dots need to add, and you need to make like this here the color T color white colors we need to set here for this UI and show here the buttons. Now need to click here and show like this here the UI. Need to first of all to fix this here the padding issue. Need to go here the add screens. Now need to save here and make sure, so need to set here the remove here the center of this city, maybe I replace this here and show like here. Now need to fix this here the padding issue. To give this here only top, change here only tops 15. Again so need to copy, replace, so need to replace here with this address as well as need to city, and here also set here the main axis alignment. Need to set here the start, set here the start. Like we need to making here the address, and maybe we need to put here the one buttons for this row, creates here the another row, maybe. Go and need to expand. Expand it. And we need to make here the icon button on press event. We need to set here the icons here. Set the icon pin location. Save here and show like this here. We need to fix this issue with here the set here the space size box. Uses here the width box. We need to set this here the 25. Otherwise, need to use this here the 30 and show like this here the UI. Like we need to clicking here to open here the pic. We need to pins inside. We need to autofill this here the this address and to modify this data. Only not change this here the city and latitude longitudes. We need to change here the address name titles. We need to changings are the possibles like this. We need to internal logic need to put in need to tomorrow make shares. If you like these designs, please make here the thumbs up. If you new users, please subscribe my channels and press the notification icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.